to our next class. Today our English class. Okay children, open your textbook in page number 53. Page number 53, unit 1. Now it starts unit 1, grammar part. What is the unit 1 children? Sentences. That sentences have the subject and predicate. What is the subject and what is the predicate? For suppose any sentence have the subject and predicate also. On that subject, what is that subject? For suppose the dogs barked loudly. Okay, the dogs barked loudly. On that sentence, the dogs is the subject and the barked loudly is the predicate. Okay children? Now, in unit 1, A Roman is match the subjects with the predicates to make complete sentences. So, in A Roman, first 1, 2, 3 have the subjects. These all are subjects. These all are predicates. So, this subject is correct to match the predicate. Okay children? See, what is the first subject given here? The brown puppy in this letter. Second one, my father. Third one, the chocolates. Fourth one, a kangaroo. Fifth one, Julie and her dog. Sixth one, Chandigarh and the peacock. The guests at the party, fairy tales, the Taj Mahal. So these 10 all have the subjects. What is the predicates given here? Had melted by the time we reached home. B1, run on the beach every morning. C1, was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. D1, is my favorite. E1, plays cricket with me every Sunday. F, are what Jaya likes best of all. G, carries its baby in its pouch. H, is the capital of both Haryana and Punjab. I, is the national bird of India. J, were full of prize for the excellent snacks and food. Okay, these are the predicates. So, correct subject and correct predicate to match and complete the sentence. Okay, first one is the brown puppy in this litter. That correct match is my favorite. Litter is my favorite. D option children. The brown puppy in this litter is my favorite. 1, 2, D. Okay, next 2. Second one, my father. My father, C option children, was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. My father was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Okay, so C option. 2 to C. Next third one, see, the chocolates had melted by the time we reached home. The chocolates had melted by the time we reached home. So 3 to A. Next, fourth one, a kangaroo is G option, carries its baby in its pouch. Kangaroo is carries its baby in its pouch. So 4 to G. 4 to G. Next fifth one, Julie and her dog is matched to B option. Run on the beach every morning. Julie and her dog also run on the beach every morning. So fifth one to B. Next sixth one, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is capital of both Haryana and Punjab. So 6 to H. 6 to H. Next seventh one, the peacock. What is that? Our national bird children? Yes. So the peacock is the national bird of India. I. 7 to I. Next, eighth one, the guests at the party. J, were full of prize for the excellent snacks and food. In the party, snacks and food are there? Yes. So the guests at the party were the full of prize for the excellent snacks and food. Next, ninth one, fairy tales. Fairy tales are what Jaya likes best of all. F, ninth to F. Okay children? Next, the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal was, wait children. The Taj Mahal. Second one is wrong children. My father, E option is correct. My father plays cricket with me every Sunday. Okay, so first one, Dash was stung by a wasp. What is that? Arjun. Arjun was stung by a wasp. So first one subject is Arjun. Next, second one, have gone for a movie. Which one gone for a movie? Mahi and her friends. Mahi and her friends gone to a movie. Next, Dash teaches us many things. Which one teaches us many things, children? Books. Books teach us many things. Okay. Next, Dash is bad for your health. What? Which food bad for your health, children? Junk food. So here junk food is the subject. Dash were left behind in the classroom. The teacher's spectacles were left behind in the classroom. Dash are used in the salad dressing. Exotic herbs and spices. Exotic herbs and spices. So first one is Arjun was stung by a wasp. Next one, Mahi and her friends have gone for a movie. Books teach us many things. Junk food is bad for your health. The teacher's spectacles were left behind in the classroom. Exotic herbs and spices are used in this salad dressing. So take your pencils and complete this A and B Romans, children. Okay, with your pencils. Okay, children, see our next one, C Roman. Underline the predicates in these sentences. Before B Roman, I explained that given that plans, you write the subjects only. On the subject also given the helping box. Okay. Now in C Roman, underline the predicates. So subjects leaving, underline the predicates. Okay. Now I read the first sentence. See the children. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. So what is the subject in this sentence? Jupiter is the subject. So is Jupiter after is the biggest planet in the solar system. So this remaining is also predicate. Only Jupiter is the subject. Remaining sentence is also predicate. Okay, children. Next one. See the second one. So you underline that one. Is to system. Up to system. Okay. Next. See the second one. The dogs barked loudly. In this, the dogs is the subject. Barked loudly is the predicate. So you underline barked loudly. Okay. Next one. The tiger is an endangered animal. So in the tiger is the subject. Remaining is an endangered animal is the predicate. So third one is an endangered animal. You underline that one. Next, Rian is always nice to everyone. So in this sentence, the name Rian, that is the subject. Remaining is always nice to everyone is the predicate. Next, fifth one. The furniture looked old and worn. So here the furniture. Here the furniture is the subject. Looked old and worn is the predicate. Sixth one. Rajesh and Shija are brother and sister. So here one boy name and one girl name is also there. So brother and sister also are brother and sister is the predicate. And the two names are subjects. Okay, children. Next, seventh one. The playful puppy jumped around my feet. So on that sentence, the playful puppy is the subject. Remaining sentence is also predicate. Next, eighth one. The animal in this zoo look healthy and happy. So in this sentence, the animals in this zoo is the subject. Look healthy and happy is the predicate. Ninth one. I want to become an astronaut. Here, want to become an astronaut is predicate. I only the subject. Okay. Next, 10th one. Murali was daydreaming at his desk. Murali is the subject. Was daydreaming at his desk is the predicate. Okay, children. Only subject leaving. Remaining sentences also called predicate. You underline that words. Okay. See our next one, children. D Roman. Write suitable subjects for these sentences. So in these sentences, subjects you write the suitable subjects and don't give in the helping box also. You read the predicates and suitable subjects you write here. Okay. See what is the first one? Dash chased the cat out. Which one chased the cat, children? Dog. So the dog. First one is the dog chased the cat out. Okay. Next one. Dash have gone camping in the Nilgiris. So Ajay and his friends have gone camping in the Nilgiris. Dash live near our house. The Sharmas live near our house. The Sharmas live near our house. Fourth one. Dash are the three colors of our national flag. Saffron, white and green. Yes children, our national flag colors are saffron, white and green are the three colors of our national flag. Next. Dash found the treasure buried under a tree. The police. The police found the treasure buried under a tree. Next. Dash is Kavita's sister. Malati is Kavita's sister. Malati is Kavita's sister. Next. Sixth one, see. Seventh one. Dash heard a loud noise. We heard a loud noise. Dash are swimming in the lake. The children are swimming in the lake. Dash is mine. This book is mine, or this pen is mine, or this pencil is mine. You write anything in this place. Okay, that is only subject. What is that? This book, this pen, or this pencil, anyone. So this book is mine. Okay, next one. Dash are my favorite animals. You write your favorite animals. Here I write the dogs. So dogs are my favorite animals. Okay. Dash will come to my house tomorrow. My friend Jubin. In this place you write your friend name. Okay. My friend Jubin will come to my house tomorrow. Okay children. Here gives the predicates and you write the suitable subjects. Take your pencils and complete this one in your textbooks, children. See our next one, children. E Roman. Complete these sentences by adding suitable predicates. So before Roman, what is that? D Roman, we write the subjects. But in this Roman, we write the predicates. So given the subjects, you write the predicates. Okay. So here computers. Computers is the given subject. What is the subpredicate? Computers are very useful. Yes, children. Computers are very useful in our life. Yes. So you write are very useful. Okay. Next one. An elephant. An elephant has a long trunk and big ears. Yes, children, you know the elephant. You see that one? What is that? An elephant has a long trunk and big ears. Next one, third one. The student of this class. The students of this class are very noisy. The students of this class are very noisy. Fourth one. Karate and judo are forms of self-defense. So here that names karate and judo are forms of self-defense. Next, fifth one. Honesty and kindness are qualities that we should all try to learn. Okay. Sixth one. The herd of cattle is grazing in the field. The herd of cattle is grazing in the field. Seventh one. My Rajni's son are both doctors. Okay. Next one. Eighth one. The 2012 Olympics were held in London. Which place? London. Ninth one. My mother's birthday falls on 27th June. Okay. My mother's birthday falls on 27th June. 10th one. See. The zip of my jacket has broken. The zip of my jacket has broken. Okay children, take your pencils and complete these predicates in your textbooks. Next are F Roman, children. Before D and E Romans, D Roman you write the subjects, E Roman you write the predicates. But F Roman you write the subject and predicate also. Wait, okay children. So first one given the predicate, you write the subject. Okay. Like second one, third one given the subject, you write the predicates. Like that 10 given here. One is the given subject, another one is the given predicate. Okay. First one is dash. Dash means you write the subject on the place. For playing happily in the park. The children is the subject. So the children were playing happily in the park. Next second one. My grandmother. Here my grandmother is also given the subject. So on the place you write the predicate. So my grandmother in 90 years old. My grandmother in 90 years old. Next third one. The squirrel. The squirrel is the subject. The squirrel was chattering loudly on the tree. The squirrel was chattering loudly on the tree. Next. Dash is very untidy. What is that? Harold's room. Harold's room is very untidy. Fifth one. Dash should be ready in half an hour. So here dash, you write the subject. The cake. The cake should be ready in half an hour. Next. Deepti's bedroom. Given subject. You write the predicate. Deepti's bedroom is looking lovely after her mother decorated it. Deepti's bedroom is looking lovely after her mother decorated it. Next, seventh one, the topic of the debate. He is given here subject, you write the predicate. The topic of the debate will be announced tomorrow. What is the subject? Here, debate, the topic of the debate, topic. Okay, the topic of the debate will be announced tomorrow. Next, eighth one, see, dash were brother. Arjun and Bhim. Dash. Arjun and Bhim are the subject. Were brothers is the predicate. Okay, next, ninth one, dash went racing across the field. Dash means you write the subject on the place. The child and his dog. The child and his dog were racing across the field. 10th one. Dash are types of flowers. Dash are types of flowers. So you write any two types of flowers. Roses and daisies are right here. Roses and daisies are types of flowers. Okay children. So full stops are there. That is the predicates. Not full stops are